I have a Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone here. I'm going to show you how to wipe the cache partition. Wiping the cache partition, you're basically only deleting temporary files that you don't even need anyway. And if your phone performance is like slow or laggy, or you're getting error messages, wiping the cache partition can fix that. It can also help with battery life as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and wipe the cache partition on this phone. Okay, so first thing we want to do is go ahead and turn the phone off. So we're going to go ahead and power off, turn it off completely. It just vibrated. Now I know it's off completely. Now what we want to do is a 2-key combination. What we want to do is press and hold the volume up, keep on holding, and then press and hold the power button. And then you'll keep on holding both buttons and don't let go until you see the Samsung logo appear. Then let go of both buttons. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this together. So press and hold volume up right now, and then press and hold power button. Now I'm holding both the volume up and power button. Just keep holding here. Samsung logo is there. Let go of both buttons, and this should boot us up into the Android recovery menu here. And what we want to do is go down to Wipe Cache Partition. To move up or down, you use the volume up or down rockers. So we're going to go down to Wipe Cache Partition right there. Now to select it, just tap on the power button. And now we get a message here basically saying once we do this, this cannot be undone. So if you want to continue, we're going to go down to yes, volume down to yes, highlight yes, and then tap on the power button to continue. As soon as I do that, look on the bottom down here. Ready, go. Boom. Cache wipe complete. Now it defaults up here to the blue. It says reboot system now. That's exactly what we want. So go ahead and press the power button to go ahead and restart or reboot the phone normally. And now our cache partition is now wiped. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck guys.